Hello, thank you for joining me and welcome to Terrarium Crafts. If you're new, we would love for you to subscribe. I post several times a week sharing unique content. If you'd like to see crafts, DIYs and more, make sure you turn on all notifications and subscribe to this channel. Today I'm taking you on a trip with me to an exotic tropical paradise, the Bahamas. There you see the palm trees, their leaves dancing and swaying with the warm, comforting breeze, and hear the gentle swooshing of the crystal blue sea. Everything is perfect here, no worries, no strains, just a sense of deep relief. You watch on as the waves come in and out, carrying away any weight left on your shoulders and dispelling them into the vast open sea. You are happy here and at ease. You smile, feeling the warm, caressing sand beneath your feet. You stroll on and discover a secret oasis full of bright pink birds, flamingos. You breathe in and take a mental image of all that surrounds you, for when you come back to reality, you will bring back all of these positive thoughts and feelings. And welcome back everyone, back to reality I'm afraid, but we're going to be recreating that very paradise we just visited so that we never forget the adventure we shared together. This is a 2-in-1 craft DIY. I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own affordable cloche, and we're also going to be making the tropical island diorama. I've always loved glass containers, but a cloche can be quite expensive. That's why I'm really excited to share this DIY with you all, because you can present something beautifully but affordably. So the first thing I'm starting off with is this tea light plate holder that I brought from Wilko. You're going to need one of these, and the other thing you're going to need is a lid. This is from a sweets jar, so this was the jar here. Now if you can't find a lid like this, then you can also use a doorknob. If you can get a pretty one, that's even better, or a glass one that looks something like this. And then you're going to get yourself a vase container. This again was from Wilko, and if you can get something in this shape, then again it really works for a cloche, so something like this is better. So I'm going to show you how to build the cloche towards the end or the middle of this video. That's because I'm going to need to have access to the inside to build the craft first. So the first thing that I have done is just take my tape measure. I measured the inside of the depth for this circle here, and I've taken this cake board from Poundland and just cut out a circle with my craft knife. This is just because I want to add some depth to the piece, because once we cover it, you want to be able to see it a lot more. And I've just stuck this down with some hot glue. So just a quick run through for what we've done so far. I covered the entire card with sand using some Mud Podge or PVA is fine. Then we mixed in some PVA with white acrylic paint, and then I've just did a layer there, and then again mixing the PVA with a green acrylic paint which it was this one here, and that's from Poundland. And then I took a darker blue of acrylic paint and mixed in some PVA as well, and then I just took a toothpick and just made this beauty, as you all saw. This is similar to the resin pouring or, you know, art dripping. I just wanted to try it for the first time and I think it's beautiful. So before it dries, take your embellishments. I'm just going to take some of this glitter here and put a small amount, just sprinkle it next to the beginning of the ocean. I'm also taking some fine glitter and just sprinkling that. I absolutely love using the combination of E6000 and hot glue because E6000 is really strong and hot glue is just fast to work with, so that's why I've done that. And as you can see, that's really firm and you can hold the whole vase with it. So my gorgeous mini paradise is going to just dry, but in the meantime I'm going to talk about a few things that you can present it on. So you can of course just have the base and then have the lid on top like this, but I feel like having a height is a lot better because you can see this at eye level. So you can take the original jar that you had, that you used the top for here, so you can actually take that, just take the base as well, put that on, and then just like that you can put your cloche on top. So that's one way to use the jar, or you can just take a Dollar Tree candle holder like this one here. You can even have it displayed just like this. I actually quite like that, but if you want, just go ahead, take the cloche that you've made and pop it on top, and ta-da! You have your finished 2-in-1 DIY. So here we have the first finished DIY. I really had fun making this video and I had fun making the crafts as well. I really enjoy just trying something different with the technique that I've done for the water here, and I really do like how it came out. I love the colours as well on here. I think they all just complement each other and contrast really well. I just feel really happy looking at this piece and I hope that you guys do too.